Is your Steam download insanely slow? Well, these few tricks might help you out and increase your download speed. Let me go over them right now. So first things first, what we have to do is open up our Steam, obviously, and then go into the top left and go into settings. Once we open up settings, you will have to go into downloads on the left side. Once you go into downloads, you will see a bunch of different things showing up right over here. So you have the download region, which you should always set to the closest server to you. There's only one called Croatia to me, which is my own country. But if you live somewhere in the US, for example, there's a bunch of servers for you. Choose the closest state. Remember that the closest server might not be the fastest. So check out the download speed. If it does not increase that way, make sure to choose the second closest or the third closest, and that might fix your issue. Sometimes, some of the regions, some of the servers are having issues, and that, changing the server might just fix that issue for you. The other thing you need to do is limit download speed. Make sure this is turned off. So you're not limiting your download speed at all. You're not limiting it to, for example, 10 megabits or 20 or 5. It's just unlimited, so you can use maximum amount of bandwidth that is available. Schedule auto updates, this should be off. Allow downloads during gameplay. If you're playing like a single player game or something, you can have this turned on. So whenever you're playing the game, the downloads are gonna be in the background, going through. So you're not actually losing any resources because you're playing a single player game, right? It doesn't matter. So if you have a slow internet speed, this is good for you. Throttle downloads while streaming. This doesn't really matter because nobody really streams on Steam. But if you are, make sure to turn this off. And then also you can clear the download cache. If you're having issue downloading or starting some apps, you can just clear the cache and then it will create new cache, and then maybe that fixes some of your download speed issues. What's also a cool thing about Steam and in their new update is this game file transfer over local network. So if you have multiple PCs in your house and you want to download the same game, you can only download it once, right? So you download, for example, GTA 5 on this PC, and like my friend wants to download it on his PC in another room. All I need to do is just go into allow transfers and then choose anyone or Steam friends. And it's basically going to use my files from my PC and transfer it to his PC. It's not going to re-download the game over network anymore. So it's really cool. You can do this if you have slow internet speed or you just don't want to download the same game twice. Just enable this and choose Steam friends or anyone, and then it will basically, as you can see right here, if this is enabled, Steam allows to transfer game files from other PCs on your local network, reducing your internet traffic. So you don't download the whole game, you just transfer it from one PC to another. It's pretty cool. And that's basically it. I hope these few tricks help you out and increase your download speed. Make sure to get those games in. And if you like this video, drop a like. I would appreciate it a lot. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in description below. If you haven't seen my other Steam tips and trick videos, make sure to check them out right over here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.